Welcome to Upstart Press. Claude 3.7 Sonnet with Claude Code was just released and it's insane. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is a hybrid reasoning model that produces instant responses or extended step-by-step thinking. With Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Anthropic also released an agentic coding tool that is Claude Code. Can you feel the intensity of AI updates that are coming out recently from top players? Claude 3.7 Sonnet supports 200K context window. Claude 3.5 Sonnet was widely regarded as a leading AI model for code generation, excelling in advanced reasoning and coding tasks. Claude 3.7 Sonnet is a new AI model from Anthropic that raises the bar even higher. Look at this. By integrating Claude via API, developers can direct Claude to use computers the way people do, by looking at a screen, moving a cursor, clicking buttons, and typing text. It offers a large context window and a low rates of hallucination, making it ideal for answering questions around large knowledge bases, documents, and code bases. It is able to extract information from visuals like charts, graphs, and complex diagrams with ease, making it an ideal AI model for data analytics and data science tasks. And here are the benchmarks. In software engineering, it beats Claude 3.5 Sonnet, OpenAI O1, O3 Mini High, and even DeepSeek R1. In agentic coding, it beats every AI including OpenAI O1, DeepSeek R1, and Grok 3 Beta. Although in graduate level reasoning, visual reasoning, and math, Grok 3 takes the lead, but slightly. So, what is Claude Code? Anthropic released agentic AI tool and they named it Claude Code. You need to have Node.js installed in the system and you need a terminal program to use it. Then install Claude globally. Right click on a folder, open terminal, and just say Claude. And Claude will generate full project in that folder based on your instructions. Type instructions in natural language and get the job done. This tool is awesome. And this concept is also new and a creative way to handle full projects by using AI. To use Claude Code, you will need to authenticate with your account from Anthropic. So here is how you can use it. Go to claude.ai and log in. Select Claude 3.7 Sonnet, type question and hit enter. Look at the speed at which the code is being generated. I like this split view, where we have prompts on the left and code on the right, kind of Canvas in ChatGPT and Mistral AI chat. And here is the output. Are you observing the speed of response? It's faster than most AIs available right now. The output is here. It shows code preview as well. The design and colors are good. I like the GUI, but I wanted it to be user against PC. And the code is being updated. And here is updated version. We can choose game difficulty. We can reset the game and it's perfect. So this is awesome. I can switch between code and preview. We can choose a response style. And if Claude AI is not available for your region, you can go to lmarena.ai, select Arena side by side or direct chat. From the drop-down, select Claude 3.7 Sonnet, type the prompt, hit enter, and use Claude 3.7 Sonnet here for free. Another way is to go to Hugging Face Spaces. Search Claude 3.7 here, and you will find something here. And if you want to use its API, you can go to openrouter.ai, click Models, type Claude in search, and here we have it, Anthropic Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Click on it, click API, and here are usage instructions. You can use it in JavaScript or Python. You can also use it in Visual Studio Code. For that, you need to have Client extension installed in Visual Studio Code. Then from Client Settings, select Anthropic, provide Anthropic API key, select the model, and start using it. Or from API Provider, you can select Open Router, provide API key, from Models, select Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and start using it. In this case, you will need API key from Open Router. So you can also use it from Visual Studio Code. And this is the latest and greatest update from Anthropic and how to use it for free and how to use it by using API. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.